Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to clean your iPhone's speaker. So, at first I recommend to have this cleaner, some cleaner like this, just with some brush, some kind of a brush, and yeah. At first I do recommend to have it, and then we can just use some kind of a brush, for example, like this one, or like this, maybe not like this one, not like this, for example, like, not this one, like this. We can take, for example, these two things from our cleaner, and then we can move straight to our iPhone speakers. For example, here as you can see we do have our speakers, and to clean them we have to just use this brush and brush it inside. Let me show you this, for example, like that. And this is the first brush, and we can use the second one too. I think the second one will be better for us, as because it's smaller. And we have to clean every single hole in here. Some of them are microphones, but you'll clean your microphone too, as you can see. Here, now, they should be cleaned. You can use the alcohol too if you want, but I won't do so because it's, in my opinion, useless. And here, as you can see, we have back of our phone. And apart from here, we can move to this speaker here too, but don't do so with this brush. Do this with this at first. And same here, don't use the alcohol here. And now it should help you. Don't use alcohol, and you should be fine. You should be very delicate and not push it hard, and it should work for you. Now our iPhone should be clean. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.